Guys, today we're waiting calls, most call bands, I guess. Firstly, this goes here. I don't even know, but I think I heard of it. I don't know this or this. Or even, wait, I think I heard about it. Similar, I saw it a lot. Okay, now this looks like a good band, but I know we're doing it. So put it there. Okay, that band is kind of good. Oh, I never heard of it, but I think I did. Hyundai is always noisy in this. Ferrari in a kind of. I don't know what that car band, and I don't know what that car band is. I think I heard of it and saw it. Now I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. Alright, Rolls-Royce. Hey, I guess I like it, girls. I love it. Hyundai. This thing goes in S. It's an total OZ. Everybody drives it. Kia, my mom drives this. So S. What's the? I don't know. I've seen this before, I think. Okay, now this is an OZ as well. S. Mercedes. I tell you. Hey, it's kind of cool. Now, I never heard of this, so we're gonna put it in F. Yeah. I'd say, I think I've heard of it. Okay, now this, I don't know, but it looks like good. Ford is a good day. It's kind of good. I know, I don't know where the American is. So, what this Lexus, I'll put it in there. My dad drives it, and it has a fridge inside of some of his cars. Now, I think I heard of this, so yeah. Zims, I don't know. Wait, no, they're not Zims. Oh, here's Zims. My grandpa drives it. It's a total Jeep. My dad have to use this. Audi, they make like one of the best ads ever. We'll put it in A. Now Bugatti. I mean BMW. It's an S. I got good at. Now that is a solid S. Okay, now what? Okay, these are the ones I don't know. It's gonna go Tesla. I don't want to say this, but it's kind of bad. So I'm putting it in there. Ford, Bugatti. Bugatti is an S. I thought my favorite cars. Now, I don't know what that is. Toyota! It's the most iconic one. Put it in the S. 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 What? You belong there. It's in that classic Jose. Anyway, that's for the next one. I don't know yay, but I feel like it's getting good. Know this. It looks gorgeous. What is that crab lobster? Anyway, not about it. Anyway, let's put this in it. I don't even know what it is. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's not. I think. Let's put this in, I don't know. Let's put that in this. I know it. What does that do? Anyway. Yeah. These are also an F. I don't even know that. F. Now this is an OZ. Hell yeah. Put in it. So yeah. I hope you liked the video. I did really hard to do this. So yeah. Bye. Like and subscribe, by the way. I hope you guys like this video so I can do more videos. See you in the next one. Sorry. Like actually, I'm sorry. Anyway, let the video end. Wait a sec.